And now we are introducing challenging test series for GATE Computer Science. See, I teach only for 6 hours per day. Morning 6 to 8, evening 6 to 10. I teach only 6 hours per day, and the rest of the time I'm free, completely free, completely free. So what am I doing with that time? I am creating challenging test series myself. I am doing it, no one else. I am creating challenging test series with 90% of the questions as MSQs. 90% of the questions will be MSQs because you fail in MSQs. So 90% of the questions are MSQs. This is going to be fun. Trust me, no one will get more than 40% of the marks in my test series. You will not be able to solve all the questions in one attempt. That is why I have given you 2 attempts. First time you attempt it, you will fail, but you will learn a lot. Every question is going to teach something new. Every question is going to revise a concept. Every question is so well planned. Entire content is ready. I will be releasing it from tomorrow. Okay. So challenging test series, we will be releasing from tomorrow. And this is going to be 75 tests, and this is not free. This is only for the students who have enrolled for the course, or you can buy the challenging test series for 4,000 rupees plus GST, because this is my time and this is my value, right? And this is going to be just amazing. You will love the questions. You will not find these questions anywhere. And this is going to be very, very tough compared to GATE. GATE level will be very low. I'm going to make the questions very, very tough. Okay. And for every question, I will provide you video solution along with the discussion forum where you can discuss the solution. And then you can track your performance. You can see how you are performing with respect to others. You can see your rank, and regularly you can practice the test series. And so, the total number of tests in the challenging test series are 44 topic tests, 11 subject tests, 10 multi-subject tests, and 10 grand tests. You know one thing, let me tell you one thing. I am the first one in India to have started online education. Just Google out. I am the pioneer of online education in India. And I am the first one in India to have started online test series. And I introduced this pattern where we have topic tests, subject tests, multi-subject test, and grand tests. Now everyone follows me. I am the first one to have worn this black t-shirt, Lacoste, right? Now everyone wears black t-shirt. Right. Okay. Cool. Cool. So now these are all the topic tests we have. You can go through it. You can pause the video and go through it. And actually, we have given some dates, like they are the deadlines that I have from 15th May, but we are starting from tomorrow only. You can register today, and starting from tomorrow, we are going to start it. Okay. And then DBMS is there, algorithms, programming and data structures, computer networks, OS, compiler design, engineering mathematics, DLD, CO, aptitude. That is all about the challenging test series for GATE CS. Now we are going to have challenging test series for GATE DA as well. Challenging test series for GATE DA as well. So challenging test series is not free. You can attempt it 2 times because you cannot attempt it. You cannot solve all the questions in one attempt. One time you attempt it and take a gap of 3-4 months, and second time you attempt it, you will revise the questions. It is better that you note down all these questions in your book and keep practicing. Okay. Okay. Now GATE DA challenging test series has 33 topic tests, 8 subject tests, 7 multi-subject tests, and 12 grand tests. Every question you are going to learn something new. Every question you are going to revise something new. Okay. 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 Now, surprise is not yet over. Don't worry. Don't leave the class in the middle. Surprise is not yet over. It has just started. Okay. Fine. Now, so this is about probability and statistics. And this is about calculus. Even though dates are given, we will try to make everything ready within 2 months. Within 2 months, you have the entire test series ready. Okay. Then databases and warehousing, programming data structures and machine learning, aptitude, 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 AI, multi-subject tests, grant tests. Okay. So we have 12 grant tests for GATEDA.